so this is a room tour of our stay at the beach club. We got a deluxe room. So we've got a nice long hallway here. Got a window. We're on the first floor. We've got some artwork over here. A little light. And when you come in here, you've got the bathroom. So you've got 2 sinks, got some extra towels down there, hair dryer. You've got some toiletry items, nice large mirror, lots of counter space, the nice makeup mirror as I call it. Then in here you've got the water closet, tub, shower combo, plenty of towels. You've got a little hidden Mickey on there. Nice. And so in here they still have the toiletries this way. They don't have the dispensers, which is kind of nice. I am getting used to the dispensers, but I'll just have to make sure that housekeeping brings me more stuff since they don't come every day. Then on this door, there is, hello, full-length mirror, which is nice. Ladies, you know what I mean, getting ready. You like to be able to see the full ensemble. And then this closet right here, very large, spacious closet. Extra pillow and blanket. The ironing board is back there, thank goodness. Just kidding, I don't need that. All right. Then if we want to go out here real quick, Eddie, we don't have a balcony, but we have a little patio area. And we're not facing, so we're facing kind of inward into the, it's very quiet, right, Eddie? Courtyard area. So we've got a couple of chairs and a little table.
All the beers.
Yes, I'll go back in here and I'm gonna guess this is the refrigerator. Yes. So you have a mini fridge. Then you have your Keurig. Whoa. Nothing in there, that's fine. Your ice bucket, coffee, creamer, cups. Little artwork, it's kind of hard to see. It's Mickey and Minnie looking out at the ocean. Very pretty. Here you got a nice big TV.
They're flying kites too.
Oh, were they flying kites?
Yeah.
It's really hard to see, there's a glare. We've got a few drawers here. Very nice. Then over here we have a nice couch, sofa. Got the lamp on over there in the corner. We've got a little ottoman here. There's some space in there. Little table.
Is that on wheels too? Does it move? Or?
It probably, maybe, I don't know. And we've got 2 queen beds. There you got your desk over here. Let's see. We've got some plug-ins, USB ports. Nice big mirror here.
Just so you know, dibs.
Oh my gosh. So, it's really nice. Got a couple more drawers here. Got some USB ports and electric plugs here. So we've got, this is a pretty headboard. Like it's, I don't know if you can see that, like, yeah.
Soft.
It's not soft, no, but it's pretty. And so this is kind of cool. It's a little
soft.
place. Well, not that part. I meant this part.
Oh.
No, but I was just saying, see,
Yeah,
like
that's
the,
not soft.
no.
This is soft.
Yeah. So a little place to maybe put stuff. I don't know. It's cute. Got some more artwork there. Yeah, so what I'm also missing, we've got a couple of very pretty windows in here. So we're gonna have to close those to keep the sun out when we're trying to sleep. But very pretty. It's very spacious. I mean, I'm gonna go over here in this corner and just give you a look. I mean, it's very spacious. It's a deluxe room. And yeah, so that is our tour of our beach club room. And stay tuned.
Stay tuned for Told
And short stories.
I'm out of practice.
Bye.